Alright, so we're doing an epoxy floor today. We came in yesterday, did all the grinding, the prep work, put down the chips. This is a color called Domino. After we came back today, the epoxy was dry, the chips were stuck down. We came through, we scraped all the floor smooth, vacuumed up the chips, and then I'll show you over here what we're doing. Chris and Dan are starting our clear coat. So this is where we put on about a 12 mil coating, which is a nice thick clear coat. It's going to seal in all the chips. First we go around and do the edge stem wall, we call it, and then we'll do the main part of the floor, put the clear coat on.